for this exhibition game. Though it's not a competitive fixture, both teams will still want to win. Good ball. Modric. Neymar. Now De Bruyne. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. That's good link-up play. Here's Van Dijk. Van Dijk gets it away. Confident pass. Now this could be costly. Oh, well timed. Safety first, back to the goalkeeper. That's nicely played. Oh, this is good stuff. Played wide. Mbappe. What a chance! Ronaldo, what a finish! Look at that tiny finish there. Look what it means to the player. We'll be hoping to add more to his tally. And the crowd are well behind their team now they've got their goal. We're back underway. Headed on. Now it's Griezmann. They've won it back. Good ball. Modric dominating the play now. Finds his teammate. Here's Varane. And that's lofted upfield. He loves to run with the ball. Here's Varane. Good district. Neymar. Confident goalkeeping there. Well read. And that's a throw-in. Mbappe. Oh, wayward pass. Normally he's so accurate with his distribution. That's good link-up play. And that clearance will lift the pressure. And we're into stoppage time now. Played back to the goalkeeper. So after 45 minutes, it's half-time. Just one change for the second half. Some new players are on the pitch, and they make an impact, though, in this second half. 1-0 then at half-time, a slim lead. It's all to play for in the second half, though. Neymar. The striker picks it up. Oh, he's onside here. He goes for goal, and they've equalised. And it was close to missing, but the woodwork was on his side. A chance to have a better look here. It's 1-1. That's nicely played. Great patience here. Here's Varane. Neymar. Passed well. Here's Ronaldo. Throw in here. Mbappe. He loves to go past players with the ball. Salah! My word, he took on nearly the entire team with that run. Let's see a replay of that crucial goal. He struck at such an important time here to put his team in front. Fantastic goal. Passed inside. with the ball. Well timed then. Great defending. And it's Ronaldo. It's a throw-in. Really well played. It's Messi with the ball. The ball has gone up, and we're going to have 3 minutes of stoppage time. Here's Mane. Does the goalkeeper to beat now? Quality goal! And his hard work and determination have paid off there as he finds himself on the score sheet. The replay will give us a closer look. That goal has changed the shape of the game. Let's see what happens now. And the referee calls time on this exhibition game. I wonder what the managers learned about their squads. Well, I think they've got the right man of the match. He put in more than 100%.